Hi, I'm Jennifer Matranga, the project manager for Oscar Renda Contracting. We continue to work on Division Street to the east of Kivet on both the north and south sides of the street on storm drain. We anticipate being complete with the storm drain work by the end of the month. We have installed Roadbase and are installing curbing on Division from Reynoir to Lemieux. We are beginning to install Roadbase on Division from Nixon to Maine. We anticipate paving the following portions of Division Street: west of Kivet to Bone Street, from Reynoir to Lemieux, and from Nixon to Maine. And should we not have any scheduling conflicts with our asphalt subcontractor or major weather delays, we will complete this work by the end of the month. We are on track with our goal of having the remaining sections of Division Street paved by the end of October, making Division Street paved from Oak Street to Forest, from one end of the project to the other. We have finished the sewer on Quarrens and are currently installing storm drain. We are finishing up the last of the sewer on Banaki and will follow right behind with the jack and bore under the CSX Railroad to tie in the water and sewer south of the tracks, and we will begin the installation of the storm drain down Banaki. We have completed the sewer on Lemieux north of Division and storm drain on the south and north sides of Lemieux. We are beginning to install road base on Lemieux north of Division, then the base course of asphalt by the end of October. We have completed the installation of sidewalks and driveways on Columbus west of Porter, Frank P. Corso, North Park, Balboa, and will be following behind that with landscaping and fencing. The sidewalk crew will then move to Hopkins and Thelma to install sidewalks and driveways, and that'll be followed by landscaping and fencing. As of my last video update, we have since installed asphalt paving on the following streets: LaSalle, DeSoto, Division from Kivet to Reynoir, Rosado, Bradford from Reynoir to Lemieux, Hopkins, and Thelma. And to keep you updated on a couple of issues, the issue on Reynoir, where we installed the curbing and road base per plans. However, it was determined that there was a design error issue with the back of curb elevations being too high, and we were stopped from laying asphalt on June 13th. Just last week, we received a complete revised set of plans from the city with corrections in order to fix and complete Reynoir Street. We are now able to put together a change order request to submit to the city. We have the same issue on Lemieux Street south of Division. However, this design error was caught before the curbing was installed. As with Reynoir, we have received a complete revised set of plans from the city with corrections in order to fix and complete Lemieux, and are now able to put together a change order request to submit to the city. We would like to remind residents and visitors that our speed limit throughout the construction site is 15 miles per hour. This is for the safety of our workers and for your safety. We are appreciative of your continued patience and support. We are working as quickly and as safely as possible and remain committed to building a better Biloxi. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Jack Gratwick. I'm the Assistant Project Manager with Hemphill Construction on the Biloxi South contract, and I'm here to give you an update on the progress of our work. We currently have crews finishing up the storm drain on Hopkins Boulevard and Seal Avenue. After they are complete with that work, we will begin getting those roads ready for base asphalt. We have completed installing all utilities on Highway 90, and we currently have crews working on putting back all the sidewalk and driveway along the highway. We also have a crew working on Howard Avenue installing the sewer, and we have another crew working in the public safety complex installing the sewer. We would like to thank the fire department and the police department for working with us while laying pipe through their parking lot. We appreciate the public's cooperation with our work and for keeping our employees' safety in mind while driving around our construction areas.